Hey, welcome back! If you're looking for fast and easy ways to earn PayPal cash, you're in the right place. Before we jump in, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest ways to make money online. And tell me in the comments which country you're watching from to make videos tailored just for your region. Alright, let's dive into 3 free apps that are paying real people real money straight to PayPal. First up, let's talk about EarnApp. This is the ultimate passive income app. All you do is install it and let it run in the background. It pays you for sharing your unused internet bandwidth. That means while you stream, browse, or even sleep, you're earning a little bit of cash on the side. It's totally free, and you can cash out via PayPal whenever you hit the minimum. If you want the least amount of effort for the most reward, EarnApp is a no-brainer. Second, there's Premise. Think of this as your ticket to earning cash just by walking around your city. The app pays you for taking photos of businesses, street signs, or other little things in your area. Each task is quick, easy, and helps companies collect data. What's awesome is you can pick which tasks you want to do, and payouts go straight to your PayPal. It's flexible, it's fun, and you'll see your city with totally fresh eyes. Last but not least, let's check out GigSpot. This one is for anyone who's ever wanted to be a mystery shopper. GigSpot connects you with shops, restaurants, and other businesses that pay you to visit and share honest feedback about your experience. You get paid for each gig you complete, and most payments arrive quickly in your PayPal account. Plus, it's a great excuse to explore new places or treat yourself while making some extra cash. So there you have it. 3 legit free apps that are perfect if you want to earn PayPal money fast without investing anything up front. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried any of these apps? Or do you have a favorite side hustle app I should check out? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, share this video with your side hustler friends, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest ways to make money online. Catch you in the next video.